Today we're gonna make a wonderful and delicious and creamy dessert. We're making an orange and apple posset. Stay tuned to find out what that is, and I'll show you how to make this perfect so that the dessert can set. Hey, it's Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations. I'm here to make healthy, simple recipes for everyday living. So let's get started. Okay, so first, get some orange zest going. And so just a little bit of backstory, posset actually is a British dessert. That's right, what's great about this dessert, requires no baking, it doesn't use any gelatin, and doesn't use any eggs. And it was actually used as a medicinal drink. They would use typically beer or ale. Usually lemon posset has a pH of about 4 to 6. So oranges have less acidity. So what we're gonna do is I'm using twice the amount of orange juice, twice the amount of zest, which equals more flavor, and we're gonna reduce that down. It's gonna help the proteins in the heavy cream bind together and gel and become a very creamy custard. So now we're gonna get the juice. I got it on medium heat. You see the eye level it's at right now. It's about up to the first marking on my forefinger. So we're going to reduce that by half.
Pour this aside, let that cool off for a minute.
The second fruit I'm using is apple. So we're going to use half an apple. Just take out the center. Take a little piece of ginger. You guys know or don't know, a pint of heavy cream, so that's equal to about 2 cups. And with that, we're gonna add a pinch of salt, and we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of cane sugar. I'm gonna grate some fresh ginger in there. A teaspoon is perfect. That's gonna help neutralize the acidity and aid in digestion. And I'm gonna add the apple slices. I wanna let that infuse early so the hint of the apple comes through. Sugar is completely dissolved. Even the apples are starting to break down. We're using the hint of the apple that's coming through in the flavor, and that has a lot of aromas in there, so I want to incorporate that. But you know what? I'll just save these apples and have it with oatmeal. Strain the apples, squeeze out every bit of heavy cream. The moment we've been waiting for. We're gonna add all our aromatics in now. Similar to like when you want to use fresh herbs, you always want to add it at the end. It's gonna preserve the flavor and also preserve the nutrients as well. That's what we're all about here. And this capful is actually a teaspoon measurement, so you don't have to dirty any dishes for this part. 1, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that around. We're gonna keep the orange zest in there. And now we're gonna add the reduced orange juice. Starting to curl, actually. That's good. So now before I transfer these into individual glass cups, I'm gonna put a little bit of plastic up on there that prevents the skin from forming on top. So we're gonna let that refrigerate for like 10 minutes before we pour it. Okay, we're back. It's cooled off a bit, so now I'm gonna pour that in each glass. All right, now I'm gonna cover these and refrigerate it, and we'll be back in 6 to 12 hours.
Hey guys, 6 hours later, you guys take a look. It's perfectly set. So by reducing the orange juice and making the acidity stronger, the science does prove that it does coagulate and forces it to firm up. So we're going to take orange segments. So what you do is after you've taken off the peel, what you're going to do is in between the segments, you're just going to put a cut in there and one on the other side of that segment. And now you got a supreme. Down and gives you some nice context, and everybody knows that there's orange in there. So we're going to try it right now. So let's look at the consistency. Okay. Guys, this is so good. This is so flavorful. It's refreshing. It's light. It's easy to make. This is summer dessert for 2023. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Can't wait for you guys to make this. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this for myself. And if you want another perfect recipe, I have a key lime pie that has secret ingredients that's gonna blow your mind. Take care, enjoy.